Hi everyone, I'm Chris Coleman from Mt Airy Eye Care. We are so sorry we had to cancel this year's fireworks event, and so are our sponsors. Many of them have left a brief message for you here. We hope you appreciate putting faces to the names of the local businesses that bring this event to our town each and every year. Enjoy.
Hey Mt Airy, Dan Straighten here from Health Unlimited. Sorry we can't do the fireworks this year. We love to sponsor it every year. We've been a big sponsor ever since it started. It's a fantastic show and we're looking to seeing it next year. So if everyone just hangs in there, we'll be there before you know it. Good luck.
Hi everybody, it's Dr. Mike from Mt Airy Children's Dental Associates. You know how much we love helping bring this event to the town, so we're going to miss you guys this year, but we'll see you next year. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Andrew with Chiropractic First.
And Dr. Andrea with Chiropractic First.
Since the fireworks are not happening, we decided to create our own fireworks as our kids film this. Poor kids. So listen, we want you guys to know we are sponsors and we are going to be sponsoring the 2021. I know 2020 didn't happen, but we're going to be doing 2021. Many blessings to you all. Have a great 4th of July with your families and be safe.
Hi, this is Gina from the Goddard School. We're sad that we won't be able to celebrate Independence Day with everyone this year. We are already looking forward to next year, though. Stay safe and be well.
Hello, this is Marcia Gibney with Mt Airy Collision Center. Tom and I are looking forward to sponsoring the 2021 fireworks again next year, and we really want to see all of you back out there. Thank you.
M&T loves being a part of this event, and we can't wait till next year.
Hey Mt Airy, it's Ben from Mt Airy Liquors. Gonna miss you this year. We'll see you next year. Stay strong.
Hello Mt Airy, it's Mayor Pat. Happy Independence Day. I hope everybody's having a wonderful time. Unfortunately, this year, the biggest celebration in Mt Airy had to be canceled. What we've learned out of this pandemic is you can't take things for granted. And what that means is we will hold things that we always took for granted a lot more precious. And next year, our celebration will be even bigger and even better, and we will appreciate it that much more. See you next year. Thank you.
John from Mallory Mattress here. Although we're very disappointed the fireworks are canceled, we look forward to seeing you all next year, bigger and better. Stay safe, Mt Airy.
Hey, fellow Mt Airy people, this is Reed Mellis from Ellis Associates. I am wishing everybody a safe and healthy summertime. I can't wait till next summer when we get to see the fireworks coming back. As you can see, this is all the fireworks we're going to get this year. Be safe out there, people. Take care. Bye.
Hi Mt Airy, I'm Denise Fox with the Fox team and REMAX and one of the founders and committee members of the Fireworks Committee. To say that I'm sad not having the event this year is the understatement of the year for me. But we will be back next year and we are all so looking forward to throwing this event next year. So God bless America and God bless the best town on earth. We love you, Mt Airy. We look forward to seeing you next year for sure.